new area. Thought I had a good trail picked out. Needless to say, I've been climbing cliffs in the dark all morning. But on the bright side, day 1.5 in my Crispies, and they are amazing. So, happy feet, happy hunter. I'm just gonna hike until it gets daylight and post up there and try to find a buck. Just up here doing some glassing. Only seen a couple does so far. I think I'm gonna hike 400 yards further up to this peak that is straight up and down. I just don't think that where I'm at right now is a good vantage point, and also I think the deer are higher than where I'm at right now. So I don't know what the deal is with me, but I always seem to find everything that I am not looking for. I just found a really, really good bull. Okay, he's not that good, but he's a really good bull in my opinion. Something I would shoot in a heartbeat. So, that's pretty cool, I guess. I just need to find a big, giant bruiser buck. I made it up to the next peak. I'm gonna sit here for a while, fuel up, glass, and today my goal is just to keep working up this ridge. Get to that peak over there and make a loop back down and around. It's probably gonna be an insane amount of miles, but what I got to lose, right? Long ways away. Got a couple little bucks. Definitely not shooters. Saw the species I'm after, so that's a plus. Gonna keep after it. Looks like things are starting to get up and move around. It is about it's 10:30 right now, so I don't know. Let's see what they're doing. So I'm gonna move up to the next peak. I got a few deer spotted. There's some small bucks over there, but there's one deer bedded down that I can tell from here is substantially bigger body-wise. So I'm gonna take a closer look. Hopefully it's a big buck. That'd be pretty sweet. Might be in range at the next peak. Doubt it, but it'll be a lot closer. Well, unfortunately, it hasn't completely swept it yet, so I'm gonna glass real quick the whole area again, but there's some weather moving in, and it's just fog, and it looks thick. So, I'm gonna glass this hillside real quick and glass as long as I can, and then probably jet out of here. No shooters yet today. And they're gonna have to be like right in front of me for me to shoot across where I'm looking. So, we'll see. Gonna start heading down the mountain. It's probably gonna be it for day 1 of the Utah. It's more of a exploratory mission, anyways. So, which. Not too pleased with this area. I didn't see much moving. Some does and fawns, little bucks. So, I'm working my way down these cliffs and hopefully I don't die. Good morning. It's the last weekend of the deer rifle hunt here in Utah. We're gonna go out as a family and just hang out in the woods. If we see some deer, great. Even better, I guess. But we're just gonna spend some time together and have fun driving the wheeler around with no expectations of finding any deer or let alone a shooter buck. So it should be a good time. It's gonna be cold and windy. So girls, gotta get them all bundled up and just running a few errands here. And then we'll be off. Should be a fun little weekend or day or whatever we make it out. So no stresses and just gonna have fun. Look at my two hunting partners.
Say hi.
Lakeland, you ready to go?
Hi. We're done. Oh,
Oh yeah.
We're on.
Oh. Hey, remember how I said that we were the only people on this road today?
Oh, wow.
Yay! It's okay. We have a different agenda than they do.
A little bumpy, but there's like at least 20 cars up there.
The bug just woke up. She's been fussy so far, so we'll see how this goes.
So far, not so good. Hi, baby. Wanna go help Daddy get a deer? Yeah.
Alright, made it up here on the mountain. Just parked in a spot. I've never been up here before. There's a bunch of cars, but the agenda is not to kill today. It's to have fun with the fam. And if we do kill, score.
Lakeland's very first hunting trip. We don't know how it's gonna go, but
Where's her little best?
that's right there.
Hey, Lakey.
Hi. She's like, I'm free. Hates her vest. What happened? Come on. Getting used to it. Uh-oh. It's okay. You're alright. You're alright.
Lakey, mommy. Did it?
Hi.
Oh, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's put the blankies in. Daddy's sweating.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Let's go, little mini hunter.
You are. Lakey. This is what it's all about.
What are we doing? So bright. Are you finding deers? Don't fall. Whoa, whoa. In the dirt again.
Lakeland. Okay. Deer.
What do you mean?
A deer. No bucks.
What?
I said no bucks.
No, I'm saying like back there in the green. I saw something on one side. Yay!
It's the last evening of the deer rifle season. Went elk hunting this morning. We're just out for a drive again. If we see something cool, if not, exploring some new area. Never been here before, and it's kind of windy. Yeah.
She totally just turned.
How did she? Yay! Turn, baby. Oh boy, that was close.
She's gonna kill us.
I know.
That's what it is.
She's like, I'm ready. There you go. It's over.